Minced meat pasta and bolognaise sauce is ready, guys. It looks so yummy and tasted delicious. So let me quickly show you the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe, and those are my seasonings. Feel free to use seasoning of your choice. You're going to be needing some oil. You can use olive oil if you choose to. Here I have 500 grams of minced beef. I have 500 grams of spaghetti. So you want to go ahead, pour some oil in a pot, heat up the oil for a couple of minutes and bring in your onions. Make sure to saute the onions. It's never easy. Look at that. For 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I added the minced beef. You just have to use a spatula to mix or separate the beef into the pot while stirring from time to time. As you stir and cook, you watch how the beef is going to change in color to tell you that it is cooking nicely. So make sure to stir fry for a couple of minutes. I added some water. I covered the pot and allow it sit for 3 minutes, and I opened. It was dried up like this, and I know that the meat or the minced beef was ready. After that, I went ahead to add my tomato, that is bolognese sauce. This tomato paste is particularly prepared for bolognese sauce. It doesn't take a lot of time in cooking because it looks pre-cooked already. So bring it and make sure to stir fry very well until it is ready. Okay, after mixing, this is what it looks like. My lighting system is not good and it is not doing justice to the video. This doesn't take a lot of time to cook, and like 10 to 15 minutes cooking time is enough and food is ready. I went ahead to boil the pasta and the cooking time was from 9 to 11 minutes and pasta was ready. This is the end result, and guys, it looked so yummy and it tasted delicious. This is a simple recipe that you can make for your family for dinner. If you've watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Bye and see you in our next video.